everyone, Anke here with you. Welcome to Mixed Media Monday. Today I share a new layout and process video featuring the gorgeous July hip kits. I was also asked to incorporate one of the Hip Kit Club subscriber cut files, which you can download from the Hip Kit Club website when you are a subscriber. I chose the summer title cut file, cut it from white cardstock and backed it with the pink paisley and many more number 5 paper. And now the mixed media part. I used the stencil which was included in the June color kit and the Nouveau embellishment mousse from the July color kit. I apply the mousse using a palette knife and let it dry. Some green and blue color splatters. Now I complete my title by adding one of the Simple Story Kate and Ash cardstock layered foam phrase stickers from the July main kit. Pick out some of the Hip Kit Club exclusive Bring on the Sunshine ephemera and arrange them underneath the title combined with fussy cut leaves from the Dear Lizzie Here and Now High Five paper. place my photos and pick out more embellishments. I chose a palm die cut and a caravan sticker from the Dear Lizzie Here and Now sticker book, which you can find in the July Pocket Life kit. I glued the caravan sticker on white cardstock and cut it out so I can use it like a die cut. I layer my photos with pieces of the pink paisley and many more number 5 paper, add the die cuts and adhere everything with foam pads. Using the pink paisley and many more cake topper set, which is included in the July embellishment kit, I make a small banner. Finally, I add 2 of the pink paisley 5th and Monaco photo corners, which are also included in the July embellishment kit, and some green and blue animal dots. My layout is finished now, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video and feel inspired to add some mixed media accents and cut file to your next project. Thanks for joining me.